Philip Griffith here with PSG Photo Solutions. What would happen if your computer crashed? Your photos are all lost. Now what? Imagine the heartache of losing your precious photos due to a digital mishap or unexpected hardware failure. In today's world, our cherished memories are no longer confined to dusty photo albums or shoeboxes. Photos are now captured on smartphones, stored on hard drives, and shared throughout social media platforms. The best way to prevent a disaster when your computer or phone crashes is to have backups. The question is, do you have a backup or a sync? Most people don't know what the difference is or why they should care. A backup is a one-way transfer from one source to another source. You might back up your photos to an external hard drive or use a cloud backup like Backblaze. If you delete a photo from one of those sources, it's still there on the other one. Whereas a sync is a two-way synchronization, and all the images will be available on all the sources at the same time. If an image is deleted from one source, it's deleted from all the other sources as well. A common sync is iCloud or Apple Photos. So when you take a picture on your iPhone, it's saved there and on your iCloud, and then most likely onto your computer as well. The problem is if you delete it from your computer, it's deleted from your phone and iCloud as well. A sync is great for getting your images all over the devices that you're using, but it's not a true backup. You can have both. You don't want to find out the hard way that you accidentally deleted all your photos because you thought you were backed up and then find out they were only synchronized across your devices. So sign up today for Save Your Photos Month and discover cutting-edge digital preservation tips from the experts. Join us at saveyourphotos.org. And if you have questions, put them in the comments below so I can help you use your photos to tell your stories so they'll last for generations.